In this guide, I'll walk you through how to delete a Google Analytics account safely and correctly. Make sure you follow each step carefully, as this action affects all properties within the account. If you no longer need a specific Google Analytics account, including all of its properties, here's how you can delete it. First, go to analytics.google.com and sign in. Keep in mind that you must have admin access to delete a Google Analytics account. Once you're logged in, make sure you are in the correct account. Double-check this to avoid deleting the wrong one. Next, hover over the sidebar and click on Admin to open the Admin panel. From there, click on Account Details. Do not click on Trash at this stage, as that section shows assets that have already been deleted. In Account Details, you will see the basic information about the account, such as the account ID and name. Confirm again that this is the correct account you want to remove. To delete the account, click on Move to Trash Can. Before proceeding, read the information carefully. You will have the option to restore the account, but only within a limited time period. After confirming, click on Trash Account. The account will then be moved to the trash. Items in the trash are permanently deleted after approximately 30 to 35 days. During that time, you can restore the account if needed. And that's how you delete a Google Analytics account. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share your feedback, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.